So my son Gabriel likes to wake up very early in the morning. This is called Like a Songbird in the Spring. Hey, sleepy eyes, where have you been? On magic pillows soaring up and away. And did your eyes shake off your dream with all the sadness of a cold winter's day? And like a songbird in the spring, try your voice and let it ring. The time will come to spread your wings and fly in the sunlight and the rain, sometimes with joy, sometimes in pain. In your head, so many questions there's no answer to. Put on your shoes of blue and red, and in the morning light I'll dance with you. And like a songbird in the dawn, you'll wake the world and blow your horn. So find the song that you were born to play in the sunlight and the rain, sometimes with joy, sometimes in pain. And like a songbird in the spring, open your love and heart and sing. The time will come to spread your wings and fly. You will fly. You will fly. You will Good.